Hello and welcome back to another vendor video series hosted by Lesser Lumber. My name's Matt Cobal. I'm the assistant manager with Lesser Lumber in Lancaster. Today I'm joined by Nate Sopik from Reeb Millwork. Nate, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and the relationship that we have with Reeb Millwork?
Yeah, my name's Nate Sopik. I've been with Reeb Millwork for about 3 years now. We're headquartered in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. We have 5 locations that service the East Coast, and we have a fantastic relationship with Lesser Lumber, and we service every location.
Yep.
And we deliver multiple days a week to every location.
That's great. So Nate, looks like you brought something in to show us today. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this?
Sure. I'd like to talk a little bit about Reeb Finish. So what Reeb Finish is our pre-finishing system for all of the Therma-Tru fiberglass exterior doors. What you're looking at right here is one of our Fiber Classic doors, stained in acorn.
Okay.
So Reeb Finish uses the PrismaGuard system, which we have 22 paint options and 12 stain options.
Okay. Why don't you tell us a little bit about PrismaGuard? What separates that from some of the other competition?
So PrismaGuard is essentially Therma-Tru's stain system and paint system. So kind of the advantage with that is if you have a homeowner or a customer that makes a selection on Therma-Tru's website, you're going to get the same colors from Reeb.
So you can select a color from the comfort of your living room through Therma-Tru's website, and you guys will put it on a door, right?
Absolutely.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. So a couple things with the Reeb Finish too that really make it an advantage to selecting a pre-finished door over a non-finished door. Number one, as you can see here, the quality of the finish is almost impossible to match in the field to do it by yourself.
Yep.
So getting a professionally done finish like this, it's really hard. It's really hard to match this in the field. Yep. Number two, when you buy a pre-finished door, you guys get it into your yard, deliver it to the job site, it's ready to install.
Okay.
So you don't have to take the door apart. You don't have to finish it, wait for a painter, transport it multiple times. It gets to the job site and it's ready to install.
So for the average homeowner, it's going to be a nicer finish than you can possibly produce in your garage or in your basement, right? Mm-hmm. And for the builder, it's turnkey.
Absolutely.
Right? So time is money.
Yep.
That's great.
And it's backed by a 10-year warranty.
Oh, that's outstanding. Mm-hmm. That's outstanding. Great. So anything else?
Well, I'd like to take a look at a video here that we did, and it'll kind of go through and show you the process of how we do this in our shop.
Okay.
From start to finish.
Okay. Very cool. Let's take a look at that. Nate, that was a really informative video. I have seen the plant. It's a very professional operation, state of the art. It's very impressive. So I wanted to thank you for coming out today and visiting us. We really value the relationship we have with Reeb Millwork. It's a great company to work for, and we look forward to continued success with you. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And thank you for giving us the chance to present here and watching our video. And we look forward to many years of a great relationship.